Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 25 Area of Rectilinear Figures, Exercise 25A, question number 9. Find areas of shaded parts and figures 1 to 3, all corners are right angled. We have to find the area of the shaded part in all these figures. You can see this is the first part. We have two rectangles set up. One is the larger one and the other one inside it is the smaller one. And we have to find the area between these two rectangles, right? One and second one, and you can see the area between them that's shaded with red color. So that area we have to find, and how we will do that? See, area of shaded part is equal to what? Your area of outer rectangle, right? Area of outer rectangle minus the area of inner rectangle, right? This formula, or you can say this principle, whatever you want to use it, this we will use all the time in most of the questions to find the area of the shaded region. See, area. Now first we will talk about the outer rectangle that is there. So in this outer rectangle, what we have length. See, the one that is outside, the larger one, see that rectangle, we have 8.7 meters as your length. Breadth we have as 6.2 meters. So your area will become 8.7 into 6.2, right? Let's quickly just multiply it over here. So 14, 174, 2, 4, 52, right? So we have 53.94 square meters after multiplying. This is the area of the outer rectangle. Now we move to the inner rectangle, right? Here what we will have is, see, length is 6.7 meters, breadth is 4.2 meters. So area is 6.7 into 4.2. Again, let's quickly multiply this thing. So we will have what? 14, 134, 8 and 268, 4, 11, 1, 8, 28.14, right? So 28.14 is the area. 28.14 square meters is the area of the inner rectangle. Now the area of the shaded region, okay, or shaded part, whatever you want to say, will be, just subtract, as I said, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Area of outer rectangle, that is 53.94, minus inner rectangle, that's your 28.14. So you will have 0, 8, 13 minus 8, 5, 4 minus 2, 2. 25.80, or you can even write it 25.8, doesn't really matter, square meters. This is the area of the shaded part. Let's move on to the next part. Now see the next part. We have again two rectangles, one inside the another. So we have to find area of the shaded region. First we will come to the outer rectangle. Okay, you can do it in any other way also. If you feel like you can calculate the area of the smaller one, totally up to you. So area of the outer rectangle will be what? Very simple, 19.6 into 15, right? Because this is length, this is breadth. So see, 15 into 6, 0, 9 carried over, 135 and 9, so 144, and 14 carried over, so 294 square meters. This is the area of the outer rectangle. Now come to the next one, that is your inner rectangle. So area of the inner rectangle also we will calculate, but before that we need to calculate its length and breadth. See, length will become what? You can see this will be the length, right? This much is going to be its length. 19.6 is the total length and the remaining is 5.4. So if I take away this 5.4, what I am left with is the length of the inner rectangle. That's why what I will do, I will subtract 5.4 from 19.6. So you get what? 14.2 here, and 19 minus 5, that's your 14.2 what square meters. 14.2 meters, that's the length. And now breadth also we will calculate. That is what, see, this entire is 15 and 2 meters gap here, 2 meters over here. That means 15 minus 2 once and minus 2 again, because for once this time this one, and then another second time I've written 2 for another part of this, below that one is there. 15 minus 2, 30 minus 2, that is 11 meters. This is the breadth. So your area is what, 14.2 into 11. See, this will be 156 point, and over here we will have 2 square meters. This is my area. Now area of the shaded part, that is there, area of shaded part, that is given. So we'll have 294 minus 156.2. so you will have 0.8 over here, and here we will have 731 square meters. This is the area of the shaded part. And friends, let's move on to the next part now. Now let's see the next part. Here we have again rectangle, and then we have cross sections, something like this and like this, right? So whatever, this can be a path also in the middle of a park, or it can be a road, a crossing, or anything it can be. But you can see that one side it is going like this, another it is going like this, so it is crossing each other, cross section. And besides this, we have these 4 areas that are shaded, so we have to calculate the areas. First and foremost, what we will do is that we will calculate the outer breadth and the outer length, outer breadth. See, outer length will be what, 4.2 plus 1.5 plus 4.2, right? 252, that is 9, 414, that is also 9.9 meters. This is the outer length, and we need the outer breadth also. Okay, so outer breadth is equal to, and 6.7 meters, because this is given. This is 6.7, don't get confused with this 1.5. This 1.5 is this much, that is the breadth of the cross section, right? Not the breadth of this entire thing. So this is the outer breadth. Now comes the question that what we will do to calculate area of the shaded part. See, first of all, this area of entire rectangle, okay, this will be there, that means this area. Okay, so let's calculate that as well. Area, that is 6.7 into 9.9. Let's quickly see what do I get here. 9.9, 9 sevens are, that is 63, and 6, so we have here 60, and here also we will have what, 603, 3366, 66.33 square meters. That's your area of the entire figure. In this area we have to subtract this cross section area. Okay, and how we will do that? See, now comes the area of cross section, or yeah, let's name this cross section only. So this x that is formed in the middle, or whatever, this plus sign, we will calculate the area. First of all, we will divide this into 2 rectangles. See, one rectangle you can do like this, right? You can see I have made these dotted lines. So one rectangle is coming upon here like this, right? Like this, you can see. If I forget all the entire figure, you can see this coming, that's a rectangle. So this rectangle we will calculate the area. See how, 1.5 here, okay, 1.5 here, and then if you see this side, only this length of the rectangle, this is what, this is actually equal to the outer length that we have just calculated. So that will be what, see, 1.5 into 9.9. This is the area of the first rectangle. You can see 1.5 is the breadth and 9.9, that is your length. Now we will come to calculate the area of the second rectangle. How will that be formed? It will be formed like this. Now view it like this. See, something like this. You can see this is coming like a rectangle, right? So this also we will calculate the area, and it's the same thing. You can see we have the thickness as 1.5. You can see over here 1.5. So 1.5 is the thickness and 6.7 will be the length of this rectangle. So you will do plus 1.5 into 6.7. Now there's one more thing you need to do, one more thing and very important thing, that is to subtract the area of the cross section, the intersection point that is there. This part it's coming twice. See how? First, if I will take one rectangle, you can see this will be the rectangle, okay, and this area of the rectangle is already covered, and if I will make another rectangle through this, you can see that this part has come how many times? 2 times. However, we need area only 1 times. So what I will do, I will subtract the area of this 1 times. See, 1.5, this is going to be a square. 1.5 here, 1.5 here. You can see already given, the sides are given. So minus 1.5 into 1.5, right? First, area of cross section, this area we have got, area of path or whatever you want to say, we have divided this into rectangles, right? And first rectangle was how much? 1.5 by your 1.5 by 9.9, so I have written that. Second rectangle, this one you can see 1.5 by 6.7, so I have written that also, calculated the area. Then we have subtracted area of this intersection once, so we have got minus 1.5 square. Now you will have what? See, let's multiply these different things, so this is going to take a little time. Let's see, right? 14.85 here, this one also 0.05, and minus this is 2.25. so you can see we've multiplied, and now you can solve this thing as you feel like. You'll have what? 24.9, okay, see, 14, 10, 24, and this 85 and 5, 9, 0, 9, right? So 24.90 minus 2.25, that's what point over here, and 70, so 65 here, and here 22.65 square meters. So this is the area of this entire thing, this plus sign that is here, that is what? 22.65 square meters. Now comes the area of the shaded part, and the last step of this. So for that, what we are supposed to do, we are going to subtract this area from this area. So do that. You'll have 66.33 minus 22.65, 13 minus 5, 8, right? So this is going to be your what? 12 and minus 6. So again 6 point over here. This is your 5 minus 2, 3, and 6 minus 2, 4, 43.68 square meters. This is the area of the shaded part. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.